students. Today we will discuss about aldol condensation itself. It's a continuation for the previous class. So, what is the requirement I told you? Aldehydes or ketones which have alpha hydrogens will undergo self-condensation. Will undergo what? Self-condensation. That is a very important thing here. See here. Now we will discuss about crossed aldol condensation. What is the crossed aldol condensation? We will see now. If similar kind of aldehydes, if two react, that is called aldol condensation. Means both are same, identical aldehydes or identical two ketones, means two ethanol or two propanone, means acetone, 2 moles of acetone. If undergoing reaction in presence of base, then that is called self condensation, self aldol we call. If two reactants, means one is aldehyde or ethanol, other aldehyde is propanol, one is ethanol, another is propanol. Both are different or not? One is aldehyde, ethanol, and one is propanone, another. So then difference you have or not? So if both reacted aldehydes or ketones are different, one is aldehyde and another is ketone, or one aldehyde is ethanol, another aldehyde is propanol. This all comes under what? Crossed aldol. In that name only you have crossed, means different. Okay, so I'll give you example for crossed aldol condensation. Yesterday I was given like benzaldehyde with acetaldehyde. Okay, so like that. So if you see this one, HC double bond OH, this when react with CH3, C double bond OH in presence of base given. Base means like OH minus, okay, or like NaOH given on arrow, okay, both are same. Now what happens here? This is formaldehyde. Do you know this? What is this? Formaldehyde. And what is this? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Or else you know this is methanol and this is ethanol. Now what happens? This is the aldehyde which don't have alpha hydrogen. What you are saying, sir? Hydrogens are there, no? This is one hydrogen and this is another hydrogen. What you are saying? No. These are hydrogens only. I am talking about alpha hydrogen. Means alpha carbon must be present. Where is alpha carbon? Carbon present, but this is not alpha. This is functional group carbon. So C double bond O is our attacking group. So here attack takes place. Which carbon will attack? Tell me. Alpha carbon, which lost alpha hydrogen. Got it? So here this is the carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon beside carbon is called alpha carbon actually. That kind of carbons are not there here. Certainly this will be the alpha, because here you have alpha hydrogen or not. What carbon this is called? Alpha carbon. What carbon? Alpha carbon. From alpha carbon, hydrogen will remove. Certainly what happens? This will become CH2 and this will add on here. And next what happens? This pi bond will migrate towards oxygen. Then here alpha hydrogen lost, no, H minus. Sorry, alpha hydrogen H plus lost, no, that H plus will add on this oxygen. So what happens? This will be now CH2. And this is a CH2 I written, CH2 and OH, O minus H plus, and this part CH2 and C double bond OH. This is what this is called, crossed aldol product. Understand? So from this, if water remove, minus H2, OH from here and H from here, if remove, then you are getting CH2 double bond CH and C double bond OH. This is the product. CH2 final product. OH from here, H from here remove. So double bond will form here. But so if you want name, it's very simple. So 1 and 2 and 3. So pro-2-enol. 3 carbons, na? At second carbon you have double bond. So functional group has more priority. So C double bond OH has number 1 priority. So 1, 2, 3. So pro-2-enol. That's it. So this is what product? Crossed aldol product actually. Okay. Now if you see one more like this, as I said in previous, so HC double bond O and H, and if it is with CH3 and C double bond OH in presence of base like OH minus, so what happens here? Same story. So same you written, yes, same I written. So instead of this I will write CH3 here, CH3. So what happens here? Same story. So here formaldehyde, there is no alpha hydrogen. Any alpha hydrogen? No alpha hydrogen. So here attack takes place. Which one? This alpha carbon as CH2. Understanding that? So from alpha carbon hydrogen will remove. So from this remains CH2 and C double bond O CH3 remains, no change, and from which the alpha hydrogen not removed, that will become OH because this will migrate actually. Correct. So if this was migrated, so it will be CH2 and this will attack on that. Same story actually. Here hydrogen you have and here you have methyl. Now what you have here? CH2 actually. CH2 and OH and CH2, C double bond O, CH3. That's it. This kind of question came in this year actually, NEET exam. Okay. So that's why I'm telling you like this very clearly. So it's very, very important. So this is a crossed order as I said, and even this one also actually C6H5 and CHO given and like this given CH3, CH2 and C double bond OH. Actually I am writing C double bond OH, C double bond OH, but they will give in exam like CHO only. Okay, you have no need to confuse them, and just they will give like this simply CHO. That's it. What is the product? Okay, now this is the CHO group, so this is alpha carbon, this is beta. Few people will remove this hydrogen because from CH3 I was removed no previous. They won't worry about that whether it is alpha beta. Alpha beta, how we decide? Functional group next carbon is alpha. This is functional group next carbon alpha. This is functional group CHO. Understanding? This is functional group carbon, and so this is alpha. So here no alpha hydrogen. So here also I have to write C double bond OH, but CHO I written. Okay. So here what is the product given in previous? Okay. I asked the product, but nobody given, especially girls. But still no problem. We only send answer that CH and OH, and here you have CH2 and here CH3 and here CHO. Okay, sorry, here one more hydrogen removed. Hydrogen actually alpha hydrogen no removed, and this carbon will attack on this carbon. Okay, so CH double bond O, but the double bond will become OH, CH OH, and CH CH3 and single bond CH3, and OH from here and H from here will remove. So here minus H2O. C6H5, CH double bond C, CH3, CHO happens. Okay, so this is about what crossed aldol, and crossed aldol actually few more actually there. Okay, because here in crossed aldol, what I said, one is having no alpha hydrogen. This is don't have alpha hydrogen, and this don't have alpha hydrogen, and this don't have alpha hydrogen. So we have only one possibility to remove alpha hydrogen from another aldehyde or another ketone, another aldehyde like that. But sir, if you have, write down this. Okay, I have a screenshot. And if you have two aldehydes and two aldehydes both have alpha hydrogen, then what to do, sir? Then we have to write the possibilities actually. Okay, so how to write those possibilities? Let's see one by one in crossed aldol reaction. See, I'll take this CH3, C double bond OH, and CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Presence of base given OH minus. What are the possible products here asking? CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetone given. So now this is crossed aldol or not? Yes, crossed aldol. How many types of products will form? Means 4 types will form. How many types will form? 4 types of products. Suppose this is reactant A. This is reactant B. So this 1 mole and this 1 mole taken means Avogadro number of acetaldehyde, Avogadro number of acetone molecules was kept in one beaker or one container and added base. That means how many types of combinations here we have to check. Understanding? Here how many moles you have? 1 mole. Here 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules are there. Avogadro number. So many molecules are there. This is not one molecule and one molecule reacting. 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of acetone reacting actually. Got it? So we have to see the possibilities because many molecules are there. Avogadro number of molecules are there. So the reaction possibilities are AA and BB and AB and BA. 4 types of products possibilities are there. Understand? This AA and BB are called self products and this AB and BA products are called crossed products. I will tell you why I written AA, BB and AB and BA. AA means 2 acetaldehydes only undergoing aldol condensation. BB means 2 acetone molecules themselves undergoing aldol condensation. Aldol condensation, not crossed. Because 2 acetone molecules are combining. That's why BB I written. AB means from acetone I was removed alpha hydrogen. I repeat, AB means from from acetone I was removed alpha hydrogen and that CH2 will add on this. Understanding? So here 4th one, BA means this will be from this we are not removing alpha hydrogen. From A we are removing alpha hydrogen. Got it? Everybody? So what I said, you are not in front of me whether you are understanding or not. But this is very clear. AA means 2 acetaldehydes are reacting. BB means 2 acetone molecules are reacting. AB means from B means from acetone you are removing alpha hydrogen and that is attacking on acetaldehyde. BA means from acetaldehyde you are removing alpha hydrogen and you are adding that acetaldehyde. Got it? So this is very, very important. So what are the 4 products? I'll write here first of all. So first of all, what are the 4 possibilities? AA. AA means when these two given, acetaldehyde, acetone given, 4 possibilities I am writing here. CH3, C double bond OH plus CH3, C double bond OH. This is one possibility. This is the first possibility. So this is AA possibility. Second one is BB possibility. BB possibility means CH3, C double bond OH plus CH3, C double bond O, CH3 and CH3, C double bond O, CH3 and in presence, base only in presence of base OH minus and OH minus. And third one is CH3 C double bond OH plus CH3 C double bond O CH3. Getting everyone? This is actually BB, second one, means two acetone molecules are reacting. And third one is, this is A and this is B. And fourth possibility is, what is the fourth possibility? From acetaldehyde I am removing alpha hydrogen, BA. So CH3 and C double bond O, CH3 plus CH3 C double bond O H. This is what? B and A. Understood the four possibilities? Okay. When these two given, what are the products if they ask in exam? Actually, four products will form. How many self products? How many cross products? They will ask question like this. The crossed aldol products, when acetaldehyde react with acetone in presence of base. Crossed aldol products they are asking means this one and this one, because first and second are called self. This one is what? Self. This one is what? Self products. Now, what are the self products? Let's see. Very simple. This you know already. Alpha hydrogen removed from here. So this is alpha carbon, and this carbon will attack on this, and this pi bond will migrate towards oxygen. So this you know this product already. So CH3 and C double bond O, and of course it's not C double bond O, single bond OH, CH3 CHOH, and it will be and CH2 and C double bond OH. So what happened here, understood? And from alpha carbon, actually this is the star carbon, CH2 CHO. Understood? So here tell me what is the product. So very simple, CH3 and C, this will migrate towards oxygen pi bond, because from this we are removing alpha hydrogen, because this is alpha. So this will become CH2 now. This CH2 minus will attack on this. So CH3 and one more CH3 here, and here you are having OH, and remaining is CH2 C double bond O CH3. This self already we discussed. Now these two, this and this, if react, what happens? So very simple, you are removing alpha hydrogen from this acetone now. AB means you are removing alpha hydrogen from acetone. From BA means what is the meaning? You are removing alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde. So this will react on this, and this will migrate towards oxygen. So what you are having? CH3 and CH3 and C and OH, because pi bond migrate now. So OH and CH, and it will be CH2 and C double bond O CH3. Got it? Now reaction between these two means how? Very simple. Now this is the alpha. Pa means you are removing alpha hydrogen from this acetaldehyde. So now this will come over here, and this pi bond will migrate towards oxygen. So the product here is CH3 and COH, and this methyl I am writing at bottom here like this. This methyl I am writing downwards here, and you have this remaining, and CH2 C double bond OH. That's it. CH3 COH and CH3 and CH2 C double bond OH. These are the four products actually, you can see. So in crossed aldol, how many products you are having? Four products. Two are self products and two are crossed products. Okay. So first two are self products and next two are what products? These are crossed actually. This one crossed product and this one crossed. Okay. Got it clearly? This is AA product and this is BB product and this is AB and this is BA. Okay. So I'll give you one more. So AA, BB, AB and PA. Have a screenshot and write down all this, please. Or so next is I'll give reaction between acetaldehyde as well as acid propanaldehyde. So you have to write product. Okay. So same cross diagonal only. Just give product, not like yesterday. After class, Pakka everybody must send those answers. 4 products you have to send. See, this is the reaction actually. See this CH3 and C double bond O H plus CH3 and CH2 C double bond O H base given. Sir, how many types of products will form? 4 products will form. 4. Okay, because this is acetaldehyde, this is propanaldehyde. Ethanol, propanol. So again you have 4 possibilities. This is A and this is B. AA product means 2 acetaldehyde. BB product means 2 propanaldehyde. AB product means removal of proton from propanol. BA product means removal of removal of alpha hydrogen from acetaldehyde. Like that, 4 products we have to write. Understanding? So you have to write 4 products and send in our WhatsApp group as okay, like yesterday. No, you have to send everyone. This is about crossed aldol reaction. Next one in the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones, you have most important, that is Kenny-Zaros reaction. This one also given. Which one will give Kenny-Zaro reaction? Very important. Aldol condensation also given in our NEET exam this year. So aldol condensation to takes place, alpha hydrogen must present. You can check which one, which question given in our NEET exam. Okay. So to undergo aldol condensation, what required? Alpha hydrogen required. Means aldehyde group or keto group beside carbon must have hydrogen. Suppose if you have like this CCl3 C double bond OH, whether it gives aldol condensation or not means no, this won't give. Alpha carbon is there. This is functional group and this is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon there but alpha hydrogen not there. So this will give aldol condensation or not means no, you have to say. Okay, so very simple. To undergo aldol condensation, what required means if they given only one aldehyde, like in previous CCl3CHO, whether this will give aldol condensation or not means they have to say no. But the same CCl3CHO with CH3C double bond OH given. Now in presence of base, aldol condensation takes place or not? Yes. Yes. Sir, in previous you said no sir, CCl3CHO in presence of OH minus means no reaction I said. Yes, me only said. CCl3CHO only given. Means you have to take 2 moles. You have to take how many moles? 2 moles. And there is, even you take 3 moles, 4 moles also, alpha carbon is there but there is no alpha hydrogen. So there is no aldol condensation. Okay. So aldol condensation not takes place. No reaction means reaction may be happen, but Kenny-Zaro reaction called, but no aldol condensation. No aldol reaction. But here aldol condensation takes place. Why? This can't lose alpha hydrogen because alpha hydrogen not there. But this have alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen now. So this reaction takes place. So aldol reaction takes place here. Difference you are understanding? So this is very, very important. This is about aldol condensation, whether happens or not, you must know. So to undergo aldol condensation, what requirement? What is the requirement? Alpha carbon must present? No. Alpha carbon must present. At the same time, that alpha carbon must have at least one alpha hydrogen. Then only aldol condensation takes place. And come to this Cannizzaro. So here aldehydes or ketones. Aldehydes or ketones which don't have alpha hydrogen. This is very important. In aldol condensation, which have alpha hydrogen, but here which don't have alpha hydrogen. So Cannizzaro reaction means aldehydes or ketones which don't have alpha hydrogen undergo self oxidation and reduction. Undergo what? Self oxidation and reduction in presence of base or acid. Acidic medium also happen, but base reactions we have in our textbook, so those we have to discuss. And then in acidic medium also mechanisms I will tell you later, but you have to understand first these aldehydes or ketones which don't have alpha hydrogen undergo self oxidation and reduction in presence of base. Okay, you remember disproportionation reaction. Only one reactant will undergo both oxidation as well as reduction. Yes, this Cannizzaro reaction is a disproportionation reaction. Remember, this is very important. Disproportionation reaction. So disproportionation comes in first year actually, but this is in second year, Cannizzaro reaction. So like that they will give linked questions in exam. So which of the following reaction is disproportionation reaction, or Cannizzaro reaction is disproportionation reaction? Like that they'll ask you questions. So please remember all these things. Why disproportionation reaction itself, you have a definition. Only one reactant will undergo self-oxidation and reduction. Understood? So here what happens, let's see. Aldehydes or ketones which don't have alpha hydrogen. This is very, very important. No alpha hydrogen. Okay? No alpha hydrogen means what? Like formaldehyde, benzaldehyde. Those are only simple examples. HC double bond OH. Okay, so this 2 moles given, or HC double bond OH given in presence of base like OH minus given means yes, sir, aldehyde in presence of base. Is it aldol condensation, sir? No. Aldehyde in presence of base is aldol condensation, but when the aldehyde or ketone have alpha hydrogen. But here there is no alpha hydrogen. See, this is formaldehyde. What is this? Formaldehyde. Actually 2 moles I written just for our convenience. Okay, and have no alpha hydrogen. So what happens here? One will undergo oxidation and one will undergo reduction. Remember this one. Aldehydes or ketones. Aldehydes on reduction. This you know, alcohols. Okay, aldehydes on oxidation, carboxylic acids. Like this they will give. Actually 2 moles I written just for our convenience, but simply they will say like this. Formaldehyde with base, the product is base KOH, the product is like that they'll ask. So these 2 things you must know, everyone. Aldehyde reduction, alcohol. This you know, we discussed also alcohol preparations, and many times aldehydes gives primary alcohols, ketones gives secondary alcohols on reduction like that. and aldehydes on oxidation, carboxylic acid. This also you know. Strong oxidizing agents, if you use, what happens like that I was given. Okay, forget about that. So now this formaldehyde and this also formaldehyde, and in presence of base, what happens we have to see. So very simple, both are same. So among them one will undergo reduction. Reduction means it converts into methanol actually, CH3OH. Understanding? Reduction means what? Hydrogen addition. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. CH3OH. So reducing product is this due to reduction product. One more will form. This one. Okay? Okay. That means like this. HC double bond O. Okay. Okay? This is acid. Oxidation product. Oxidation product. What happens here? One undergone reduction and one undergone oxidation. Understanding? No? This is aldehyde, HCHO. HCOOH. On hydrolysis, this converts as the like this HCOOH, hydrolysis. HCHO, HCHO, aldehyde. HCOOH is the acid. Okay? So forget about this. So HCO, okay. Potassium formate. Potassium format. Understood? So this is about Cannizzaro reaction, not completed, mechanism also there, and few more like crossed Cannizzaro also there. We will discuss here also. So very important these two reactions. That's why I am explaining slowly. Okay. So please note down all these things, and very important, practice many examples so that you will have full clarity. Thank you.